Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to keep your image consistency and how to make your video long. Okay, how to generate your 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30. If you like, you can even make 1 hour video using your AI tools. Okay, so now I'll show you how to get it done through Grok. Okay, so now I'll have to go to my Grok. Okay, so I'll click my Grok. This is the home page of Grok. So if you have, if you must have generated your image prompt, so all you have to do is to click this plus sign icon here. All you have to do is just click it. Then you click this edit images. Just click it. So then you have to import any of the image you are working with. Okay, so when you must have selected, you can only select I think two or three. So you just click good here, then you are good to go. Okay, then okay, let's say I just have to click this, then select this, then click go. So now I have to turn it to video. Okay, so is either I choose this 6 seconds or 10 seconds, right? So here I'll now have to paste my prompt, the prompt that I must have gotten from ChatGPT. Okay, I'll just have to paste it here, then click this send here to so that it will generate the video. Okay, when the video must have been generated, okay, let me just say, let me just type something like, let me just say, give me a fast motion movement, fast motion of workers workers clearing the building and, and the compound. Okay, let me just make it simple like this. Okay, let's just wait. Please make sure you watch this video to the end so that you you will learn something from this video, right? So we'll just wait that it will load. Okay, among all the AI tools, for me, I prefer Grok for my video generation and others. Sometimes though I use uh, Google Flow, but AI is the best for me. So I'll show you the two reasons why I choose Grok over others. Okay, so what I have to do now is wait maybe till countdown is done, then I'll show you the reason why I'm making this video. Right? All right. So the video is here. So yeah, I should have even right number of workers that I need. Okay. Okay, you don't. This is AI, so you definitely do. Yeah. Okay. So now, if you want, if you want the the image, this video, if you want this video to continue, you understand. So this is one advantage that Grok has over others. So you just have to click these three dots here. You just have to click these three dots here. Then you click extend. You click on this extend. Then you can once you click this extend, then you paste your second prompt. That is scene two. You understand? So if you don't want the scene two to be here, or maybe the scene two should be on their way going home, you understand? Then you can end your your video here, then click download. Then you can just click download here. You understand? But if you want to continue as in the scene one, if you want to maybe achieve something, you understand, or maybe you want to show when they must have finished clearing this the whole grass and everything, then you can click this extend. You understand? You click this extend, then you paste the continuation of the prompt now. Then you paste it here. Okay, that is number one. That is number one thing I like about this Grok. Okay, let me just take it step by step so that you won't get confused here. Okay, I'll just say, okay, I'll just say continue clearing the grass and painting the house white. I want the, the workers to be more than 50. Okay, so that is okay. Just have to wait so that Grok will generate the continuation. Okay, boom. Okay, so you see that it will continue exactly from where it stopped. Jeez, AI. So just have now they're asking me if if they satisfy my um, well, I don't have options. Sha. I'll just click. I'll just recommend. Okay, so in case if that is maybe they didn't follow the instruction because I didn't give them the proper image prompt, video prompt of this particular project I'm generating. So had it been I calm down to generate a good prompt, I could have obey it and do everything perfectly. But I'm just doing this video just to show you something, how to make your video long. You understand, and keep image consistent. If you watch that, these same people are just keep working, 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 working. So now, if I want, I can still extend it. You understand? Extend it maybe to when they must have finished working. Maybe when they must have finished painting the whole house and everything. Okay, so I can just go ahead here and click extend again and drop my prompt, right? So that is the number one thing. Then the 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 second thing I like about this Grok is like, let me say now that I have reached the limit of this of extending my video, because I'm allowed to extend this video to 30 seconds. And after these 30 seconds, that means I will start afresh with another prompt. You understand? I will start afresh with another image. You understand? And if you decide to import this image again, that means the video will start afresh, and there is no way they will continue exactly where this this particular video stopped. You understand? Maybe when you are okay, let me use this. Let me just pause this like this now and draw this here. You understand? So if we import this video afresh, you understand, and you want to achieve something here, you understand? Maybe you want to see when they must have finished this uh, renovating this house. You understand? So now what you do is you just have to, you don't need to to import this picture afresh. You understand? You don't need to import this video this image afresh, because there is no way it will continue from uh, here that they just painted some part of the building. So there is no way they will continue from here. You understand? So what you need to do is to take a screenshot. You understand? So like just need to take a screenshot of this particular place that they just stopped. You understand? So like for instance now, I'll just have to take, okay, so I'll just have to come over here and come over here and crop it. Then I'll just have to save. Okay. So if I want to continue, if I want my video now to continue from where this one stop, so what I need to do now is I'll just come over here and import import this import this picture. Now I'll paste the prompt that I have, like the continuation now that I want them to continue painting. And let's say continue painting, and okay, and changing the window, and changing the window glass. Okay. So if I now send this prompt, definitely they will continue from exactly where they stop. You understand? Let's say I just have to wait. You can even use it. Let's say you want to create some Nollywood movie. Yeah, you can use this method. Maybe when the king is addressing the villagers, and maybe when the king the and you are using this extending option. You understand? You are using this extending option to create your video, and the 30 seconds stopped at when the king raised his hand up. You understand? So if you want to continue from that exact place that the king raised his hand up, this second option that I just showed you now is the best idea you should use. You understand? If you just choose this second option that I just showed you, you understand? You screenshot that same place that the king raised his hand up. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You understand? So this video, you understand? So you just have to use it, screenshot, then drop your your prompt, and the king will do exactly what the prompt instructs him to do. You understand? So that is all about this video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, please do well to reach out. Ask question. We rise by lifting others. Okay? So thank you very much.